Miracle has happened when 4-year-old Ayla Gezgin was saved after rescue teams heard her screams under the debris in Izmir's Bayrakli district. Nusrat Aksoy, a rescue worker from Istanbul's Kadıköy district municipality, said that the little girl was found in the kitchen, stuck in the triangle of life in front of the dishwasher. He said Gezgin was conscious at the time of her rescue.